This is a lovely, lovely beachfront ocean view room at the Breakers. And I just checked in, so I did open this door so that you could see out to the amazing ocean and hear the ocean and really get a glimpse of this absolutely magnificent view. This is just such an incredible view. And it's amazing that the doors can open so that you can have, you know, just a really nice experience if you want to have a little bit of fresh air. This is the room. So this is a king room. Lovely appointed king room. Absolutely beautiful. They have this neat pad for your jewelry and charging. A desk, really great desk. So if you do have to work while you're here, desk is beautiful. There is a refrigerator with lots of drinks. There is also a mini bar with all of the usual mini bar goodness. I thought this was really nice also, with a bunch of waters and Pellegrino. Notice no plastic bottles. Super cool. And just a really, really nicely laid out room. And of course, the room really brings in that beautiful look of the ocean. So you truly do soak in the ocean view from this room. Absolutely magnificent. And there is a lovely bathroom at the end of the entrance corridor. Really, really nice. Has a nifty TV in the mirror, but a separate tub and shower. Lots of really nice amenities. Great to see that. So really, really nifty, nifty place. And also a nifty shower. Look at those amenities in the shower. They're still using really nice bougie bottles. That's sort of cool because you don't see that as much. You see the big dispenser bottles. And it's just great. The artwork is great. Everything is lovely. Great room. But especially, you know, it's the standout, incredible winner is this incredible view. And I'm going to be sharing a lot over the next few days from the Breakers in Palm Beach. And I'll just leave you with that view, which I could look at